week of February 2020 on the non-miscellaneous basis. Ablash.
50 is that one that Rajasthan matter?
Yes.
That Rajasthan
This is those
NCT notification matter.
matters. These are connected with item number.
Is there?
Yes. No, there is SLP from West Bengal also.
The original 52 is the Rajasthan matter.
This is from Bengal.
50 is from Bengal.
This is for state of West Bengal.
Bridge course. This is about the bridge course.
Bridge course where the NCT notification has been struck down, where B.ed candidates are made eligible.
B.ed and D.ed, whether both can be eligible.
Point is short. Point is बहुत बड़ा नहीं.
So far, my matter is concerned about item number 56 of the supplementary list. This is supposed to be taken up with this. Now, we have come up with a lawsuit against the refusal almost of an interim order. Well, the pan-India notification has been passed by one of the Honorable High Court. Well, this pan-India notification is being followed by the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Whether it is permissible or not. When a pan-India notification is passed by one of the High Court, that should be followed by your lawsuit's judgment throughout all of the country. Now, here your lawsuits, I tell you, lawsuit, the pan-India notification has been passed. For the first time, B.ed has been made qualified. Why? According to the rules, D.el.ed, Diploma in Elementary Education is the only qualification for recruitment of primary.
Just a minute. So to the first notification which came in 2010. I think if I remember, it is 10th of August.
10th of August, somewhere around.
After right to education.
Right.
10 and 11 of
And in
B.ed
that-
will be eligible, but for a limited.
Because it was a diploma in elementary education,
Please.
teachers eligibility test, these two were made.
Who are the main qualifications?
B.ed was met.
B.ed was only left for 5 years.
Exactly.
Yes.
After 2012.
And all
That
this
is
was-
The B.ed was there.
now they are saying that B.ed is qualified.
Exactly, my lord.
2018.
That NCT is saying.
NCT is saying. And that's a
And
request by the
my
Honorable
lords-
High Court of Rajasthan.
And so it's the manner.
1 minute.
Who
Who is appearing for NCT?
And who is appearing for B.ed candidates for
No, we are appearing.
On the other side.
No, the first blush of it.
No. Of course, Manoj, I am in the Rajasthan matters. There was a long consultative process.
No.
The government of India decided that we are going to make
Mr.
B.ed
process that-
plus a small qualifying course eligible. At the end of the long consultative process, notification was issued. High Court has quashed it
No,
without
after B.ed, you do another course.
6 months
6
bridge
months,
course.
they are not qualified.
6 months bridge course.
Because they were not qualified.
My lords, may I just point out one thing?
It can't be like this, Manoj.
My lords, I think this is...
I think.
But who is appearing for NCT?
Yes.
You are the main.
Come here.
Yes. And the union is also here, not union is also agreeing.
I think
Yes.
they are the main person.
Yeah, and 3 or 4 high
You
court.
kindly, 1 minute, you kindly tell us in sequence, what were the qualifications?
My files are not here.
I have a list of dates.
Section 23.
What happens is
My lords, here is
the entire focus of Right to Education Act was on quality education.
exactly.
From education, it becomes to providing service.
My lord, section 21 of the RTE Act says that you may take people
1 minute, let us hear
But
NCT.
who are you?
I appear for the people who've succeeded before the High Court.
B.ed or
That is the D.el.ed, the D.el.ed.
D.el.ed?
We say that
But you are in any case qualified, isn't it?
we are all qualified.
What should you?
But what
Why should you be aggrieved if somebody else?
My lords, the point
Correct.
is this. The provision under the RTE Act, as my lords rightly said, is that in the event you do not have enough numbers of qualified persons who have D.el.ed, only in that circumstance, you can maybe take the B.ed, but they will have to pass the bridge course. So till today, we don't have a bridge course. What is sought to be done by an oblique method is to make all the B.ed eligible, also to do the primary education, but the D.el.eds will never be qualified for the purpose of secondary education.
Then which act This is sort
My lords, this is not under any act because RTE Act
My
is
friend,
very...
you're all wrong.
Can I for a moment
This is under
speak, Mr.
NC.
Patwalia? For a moment, my lords, the Minister of Education says by a letter, and that is what the High Court has discussed in the judgment, B.ed is a better qualified, higher qualified, so why should B.ed not be considered also to teach the primary? Now, only thing before him was Kendriya Vidyalaya went and said, well, we do not have enough people with D.el.ed. There is a provision under RTE that if you do not have a sufficient number of people, you may take B.ed, but subject to their qualifying the bridge course. State of Rajasthan,
all
1 minute, Mr. Patwalia.
All wrong.
My lords, I can show it from the judgment.
Correct.
Mr.
But I am the
Patwalia may say
petitioner.
whatever it's
He is the
recorded in the
respondent. He wants to
judgment.
argue first, and the
My
petitioner
lord,
is waiting to hear.
Now, my lords, the point remains this, that state of Rajasthan, before the High Court said, we have enough number of D.el.eds, far in excess of the number of vacancies. So therefore, only the D.el.eds will be qualified for the purpose of the examination for teaching the primary school. That is what was before the High Court. So whether B.ed can also become eligible to take the exam, and the High Court came to a finding.
So we'll hear it.
My lords,
No,
it requires hearing.
We questioned before the Honorable High Court the notification for recruitment issued by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education. That is of dated, my lord, September 9, 2022. Permitting B.ed. That's our the main contention. Once the notification is passed by the one of the Honorable High Court or one of the vital contentions, the board should not follow that notification.
In January. My lords will list it in January.
Should not fail.
My lord, in fact, the law.
We'll take it 1 minute. We'll take it in the second week of January. First
Please
week
do
will be
that. Yes, my lord.
All right.
In the meantime, I tell you, lordship, B.ed, so far the B.ed candidates are concerned,
In the
they came up before your lordships. Your lordships was pleased to
In the meantime-
in their favor.
In the meantime, you give us a table
Yes.
about each litigation.
If you permit them to be recruited, then our chunk of post, which are meant for us, under the rules of the West Bengal government, we will be defeated totally.
No, in the second week of
It
January.
is subject to the outcome of the petitions. That is there. But the point remains that
Suppose the visualize one situation. Suppose in the first week of January,
We'll take it in the second week of January.
There is a conflict of two judgments of two high courts. Rajasthan High Court takes one view, Calcutta High Court takes another view.
No, Calcutta High Court has not taken any.
Then why is it here?
Calcutta High Court has not taken any.
One at a time.
My lord, it can't go on like this. Your lordship may list
Yes.
it on some day and let's start it in the morning
But
and finish.
we-
List of dates also given to you.
Any recruitment exercise which is go on.
Recruitment program.
Last date of submission of the application form is over. At any point of time, they can recruit.
No.
We are
Let me tell you,
stuck.
this will take another 6 months.
This
No, I tell you, Lordship. I tell you, there are several orders, the system to be concluded. Because your Lordship knows what is going on in the West Bengal state.
In the sense, no, we do not know what is going on in the West Bengal state. You may know.
This situation now, my lord. If the recruitment is made today, my lord. Suppose one B.ed candidate.
We only,
See, it is not, it takes some time. It is not so.
But your Lordship, kindly, they let
second
you
week of,
recruit any candidates.
second week
My
of
item
January.
is item number 53, which has been that is not the B.ed D.el.ed matter. That is actually different matter.
Okay, wait. List this matters on 10th January 2023.
But your lordship may say high up on the board so that they will start on that day and
Within the first 5 matters.
first one. Great.
First 5
In case there is,
Kindly do that, your
in case there is any fresh matter which they are now placing, let the notice be issued. Otherwise, we don't have.
Copies to be served.
There are judgments of the Allahabad High Court against it.
Yes,
But they have said order.
But at least, my lord, 5 or 6 judgments, including the Delhi High Court's judgment, behave were not at all eligible.
But that only difference is now the body
Yes,
is supposed to,
Yes, sir.
under the Right to Education Act, it says
23.
qualifications will be the qualification which will be determined by NCT.
My lords.
Now NCT says it is correct.
Correct.
That should refer to different facts.
And
No.
My lord, there was no delay in the candidates.
This
and
much of
Correct.
it has to be.
I think my friend is absolutely wrong.
My lords, that's discussed
That's
in
in
detail in the
Ram Charan Maurya's case.
judgment.
Just 1 minute.
One minute.
In
But
Ram
there
Charan
are many
Maurya's-
decisions in your favor.
in Ram Charan Maurya's case,
There was no
this
challenge.
honorable court has
There was
ruled
no
that
challenge
B.ed
to
are
the
eligible.
notification.
So for my friend,
Okay, we'll take it on.
all right.
Well, my item is 54. It has been tagged with all these branches, but my matter is not regarding the controversy of B.ed and
Okay,
B.ed.
1 minute. So 51,
That is
52,
the primary.
Please,
10th of January, in first
Your
five.
Super 56 concerning losses kindly issue the notice. Let it be for the first time coming up with a lawsuit.
53, 54.
56 of something.
56.
54.
Please for our.
Yes.
54 decide करिए.
That's okay. 56.
ठीक है.